Once, in a small town in India, there lived a quiet and kind man. He was thin, wore simple clothes, and always carried a wooden walking stick. People in the town saw him every day, walking slowly and greeting everyone with a warm smile. Nobody knew much about him, but he was loved by all. Children often ran to him asking, "Who are you, sir? Where are you from?" He would laugh softly and say, "I am just a traveler. I like to learn from people like you." The man loved to sit under a big tree in the center of the town. Many people came to him to share their problems. "Life is hard," they said. "We have little food, no good jobs, and so many rules from the big government." The man listened carefully. He did not interrupt or judge. After hearing their worries, he would say, "We are stronger than we think." Sometimes the smallest actions bring the biggest changes. One day, a farmer came to him. "Sir," the farmer said, "my son eats too much sugar. It is not good for his health. Can you tell him to stop?" The man smiled and said, "Come back in 2 weeks." The farmer was confused, but agreed. 2 weeks later, the farmer and his son returned. The man looked at the boy and said, "Stop eating so much sugar. It is not good for you." The farmer asked, "Why didn't you tell him this 2 weeks ago?" The man replied, "I had to stop eating sugar first. I cannot teach something I do not practice myself." The farmer was amazed. "You are wise, sir. Who are you, really?" The man just smiled and said, "I am someone who believes in truth and action." One morning, the man told the townspeople, "Let us go for a walk." "Where to?" they asked. "To the sea," he said. The sea was far, but the people followed him. They walked for days under the hot sun. Along the way, more people joined them. "Why are we walking?" someone asked. The man replied, "We are walking to show that we are free. We do not need to follow unfair rules." When they reached the sea, the man bent down and picked up some salt. "This salt belongs to us," he said. "No one can take our freedom from us." The crowd cheered. They felt proud and strong. The man did not believe in fighting or violence. He said, "True strength comes from peace. If we want to change the world, we must change our hearts first." Some people did not agree with him. "How can peace fight against weapons and armies?" they asked. The man replied, "Peace is like a small seed. It grows slowly, but one day it becomes a big tree." Years passed, and the man's actions inspired millions. He was no longer just a man with a walking stick. He became a symbol of courage and hope. One day, a boy in the town asked him, "Sir, everyone says you are special. Who are you?" The man smiled and said, "I am a seeker of truth. My name is Mohandas, but some people call me Gandhi." The boy's eyes widened. "You are Mahatma Gandhi, the man who leads our country?" Gandhi nodded gently. "I am just a man, like you. But together, we can do great things." From that day on, the people of the town understood that the quiet man with the walking stick was not just a traveler. He was a leader who believed in truth, peace, and love. And his story taught them that even the simplest person can change the world with kindness and courage. The end. If you enjoyed the story, please like, subscribe, and share.